Hey everyone, Edward here at Windows Report, and in this video I will show you what to do if the Windows 11 File Explorer is lagging. The first solution that you should always take in consideration is to press File Explorer's F11 hotkey. So basically you just have to click on File Explorer, and instead of utilizing it in a smaller window, just press the F11 hotkey. When you do that, you'll notice the command bar isn't visible in that mode. And with the command bar gone, Explorer might not be so laggy. Another useful solution is to update Windows 11. To do this, press the Windows button, then type in Update and select Check for Updates from the search results. In here, just select the blue Check for Updates button and wait until Windows will scan for any available updates, and if it finds any, it will download them and install them. Another great solution is to close superfluous apps and background processes. To do this, right-click the Windows button, then select Task Manager from the context list. In here, select the Processes tab if it isn't already selected, and then select and press the End Task button for all programs listed under Apps, and you can also look through and select unneeded third-party processes listed under Background Processes. Then click the End Task button to close them. You can also restart File Explorer. In the same Processes tab, find File Explorer, right-click it and select the Restart option. This will refresh and reinitialize File Explorer, which will most likely restore its normal function. And another useful solution is to disable Quick Access. First of all, click on this PC or File Explorer in the taskbar, and once it opens, just click on the See More button, which is represented by the 3 horizontal dots, and then select Options from the drop-down menu. In the Folder Options window, make sure to click on the drop-down menu next to Open File Explorer 2 and select this PC. Next, just uncheck both Show Recently Used File in Quick Access and Show Frequently Used Folders in Quick Access options, then click on the Clear option, select Apply to save the new settings, and then OK to exit the folder options. And that's it. Plenty of ideas and solutions to play with. As usual, for more information and details, you can check the article in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, just make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.